So I got myself a new wig and I wanted to do something different. I have my hair already styled like this and I really am too lazy to try to do anything different. So I think this is flat enough because it's a poofy wig anyway. And this is it. It is called Rainmaker. I thought it was really pretty and it was on sale for $14 on ebonyline. I love me a sale. Textured half wig, Rainmaker. I'm not gonna leave much of my hair out though. I'm just trying to like blend my makeup a little bit.
Ridiculous. Okay.
It's got the little curliness. It's 1B. I got in color 1B. Recommended for 3B, 3C hair. Like I said, it was on ebonyline for $14.99. I could not pass it up, and I really want to try it out because they got a sale again, and I want to know if I should buy it again. Okay. I like the texture already because it does look like if I were to do this to my hair, it like comes with like, you see this? You see these curls popping? Curls on fleek. That's pretty. This thing's pretty full too. So of course I probably would like run my fingers through it once I put it on. Because that is what the front looks like. Long clip over here. Clip in the back. No side clips. And you got the hooks to tighten, which I don't know what I'm gonna need it on, but I'm just gonna tighten it right now. I don't know where my wig cap is and I ain't really got time. So I won't tell if you don't. Ooh, curl. Look, curls is better.
It's so cute. I really don't even want to take out the curls. No, I kind of want to put it up to like that. That would be cute. I might do that. Okay.
I would suggest blow drying your hair before doing this. Okay, so I'm taking out some of my hair. This is pretty. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm buying another one. This is how it is. This is how it happens, y'all. Yeah, I want to do a half up, half down because sometimes the synthetic weaves don't last long enough for you to do up and down. So while you have the chance to do it, you need to do it. I don't really want gel in my hair, so this is the bootleg way of doing it.
Okay, I didn't put that much hair out, so I don't know. Once it's gel, that might need a little bit more hair out, but we'll see. Got that in the bag. Alright, so I'm gonna let enough hair out. Enough for it to be snatched. Shit. Maybe I should have just stopped trying to be fancy. I was trying to be extra. Always got to be extra, shall I? Can't just never do nothing simple. No, I gotta do half up, half down. Throw the fucking wig on. Get a move on. Shit. Okay. Boom. Sometimes I be wanting long hair, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I be like dealing with long weaves and I be like, this is enough for me. Like I can always buy a wig, take that shit off, deal with a lot of hair when I want to.
I'm gonna double this. Alright, let's see about these curls that I done messed up.
I'm afraid to brush it. Let's see. So I did mess up a curl. Or two, or three. That's fine. It's already just like a curly thing. Kind of like it to one side. So I'm going to do that.
I got this little crochet braid.
And honestly, I could just wrap and tie, so I don't have to worry about getting a bobby pin or nothing like that. something in there.
I will put a couple bobby pins because this is good for big heads. So if you're like me and you have a big old head, it's actually bigger than my head, which is weird. But I'm not used to that. So I'm gonna put some bobby pins to secure the pewig. Secure the pewig. I'm gonna put on my outfit and show you what it looked like the rest of. I like this hair a lot. I think it's really pretty. I think it looks like my natural hair. It looks like my blown out natural hair, which is the point. So blown out hair, and you don't have to worry about blowing out your actual hair, because like even though it suggests that you can do blowouts, if you were really nosy, you could probably see a little bit of this hair right here, this line, but nobody would know because my hair is blending it. So as long as my hair stays stretched, I should be fine for the whole day. But I think it's beautiful. This is for $14. The only thing, I've gotten the Game Changer before. The Game Changer, well, I got it on sale too for like $14. The only thing is like almost instantly it gets like matted. But I still love that hair. I still buy a bunch of them, but it's synthetic hair, so what can you expect, honestly? Well, I don't know why it keeps going on sale for $14, but I'll probably keep buying it because I really like the look. Here's the back. You can see it. I don't want to pick out the curls or anything, because like you see how I lost some of the curl. Like I would just rather just let them fall out naturally and not mess with it. So I'm just gonna leave the curls in like that. And yeah, this is it. Would I recommend this getting this wig? Hell yes, absolutely 100% yes. Okay, dressed and ready to go. This is really bothering me. Okay. For the little, it's only been like 5 minutes, honestly. I'll probably put it back on while I'm in the car, but I want to get some good shots. Okay, my edges is laid on. Like that. 5 out of 5, or maybe 4.5 out of 5, because this is like irreparable. I'll probably put some rollers. I'm gonna put some hot rollers in it when I have time. But aside from that, as far as like blendability and the density, there's a lot of hair for this to be a half wig. It's beautiful. I love it. I'll probably buy like 3 more, maybe 2. I'm not gonna OD, you know, but. So it's been 8 hours, and here's my hair updates, what it looks like. Oops. I think it held up pretty nicely, so I still give this hair thumbs up. My hair didn't hold up that nicely, but I love this hair. And I got so many compliments on my hair, people. Oh my gosh. So many. And everybody thinks it's real. That's so crazy. I don't be trying to fool people. Honestly, I don't. But it's nice when people are like, oh, Team Natural. And I'm like, thank you. But yeah, this hair is fooling everybody, for real. Everybody thought this was my hair. I didn't tell nobody it was, but it just doesn't look, because people don't be buying weaves like this. It's so cute. I fucking love this hair. Buy it. Please buy the hair.